People think compliance is about paperwork, but it's actually about proof. Compliance is the engineering of verifiable trust, being able to show exactly where, when, and how data was endowed. The misconception is that compliance slows innovation, when in fact, it forces precision and accountability. That's how InthraOS builds compliance on its code base, not its checklist. Because trust scales faster than hype, in a world where users are increasingly aware of data risk, being compliant from day one is a strategic moat. Enterprises that adopt InthraOS don't just meet regulations, they become the standard. Human-centric innovation means technology that protects, empowers, and understands the people using it. In AI, this means systems that learn responsibly, explains their action, and gives user control. We've reached a point where innovation can't just mean much speed, it actually has to mean accountability. In InthraOS, human-centric design is a definition of progress. We've engineered InthraOS with a multi-layered privacy firewall. It obfuscates, masks, and re-encrypts data before any AI process begins. So even metadata stays local. We combine audit logs, consent registries, and federated learning principles to ensure no personal data and sensitive data leaves the source. Small language models, SLMs, are the next evolution of AI. Compact, efficient, and built to run locally on edge devices. Unlike massive cloud-based models, SLMs don't need to call home to function. They allow real-time intelligence to operate securely in hospitals, banks, government systems, and others. For us, they're not just smaller models, they are smarter architectures for trust. Local models eliminate the recurring cloud inference cost that eat up all small team budgets. By running models directly on-premise and on secure devices, companies gain full control and predictable cost scaling. It also allows latency and dependency third parties API. In short, they pay less, perform more, and stay compliant all at once. It hit me during the early model testing and research when we noticed how much user context and sensitive data was being exposed through training. Centralization breeds dependency, and dependency kills innovation. I realized that it needs a model. Instead of sending data intelligence, we bring intelligence to the data, and that's how InthraOS was conceived. I'd still be worried about the lack of control in AI systems. We've made intelligence powerful, but we haven't made it accountable. Without InthraOS, the world would keep outsourcing its privacy to cloud providers and losing autonomy in its process. That's what keeps me building, really. If privacy wins, AI becomes invisible, seamless, personal, and safe by default. You won't have to question where your data goes, who sees it. It will become a trusted layer of life, not a threat to it. That's the world we're designing for.